I'm feeling strangely sane today. I am amazing, brave today. I rearrange my brain today. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome if you are new, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. Come on in, bring it on in, all of that, okay? So today's video, your girl just came up here real simple again. Real simple but real cute. Giving very much baddie. Okay, we going with the simple baddie makeup, okay? In the dramatic lash, but it's popping. Okay, so if you guys want to see how your girl got this look, what your girl used to get this look, how your girl did this look, then keep on watching into the look. Welcome on back. Welcome on back. So I already did my brows off camera. I will be doing a tutorial about how I do these brows. These are not like the other brows y'all saw in my previous tutorial. So yeah, if y'all are interested, it will be a video on the way. I'm just priming my lids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand, blending it out and dancing a little bit, you know, because I always got my music on. That's why your girl always got to do voiceovers, okay? Going in with this Juvia's Place palette. And I'm going to be taking that brown shade and using it as the transition. And I'm just going to be blending it all over first, okay? But your girl had to stop midway because them lips was giving ashy, okay? So, you guys, I just went ahead real quick, put on my Vaseline because, yeah, we went finna do that one, okay? Going back in with that same brown shade, and I'm just going to be blending it all over the lids, real good, real smooth. What I do to this eye, I'm going to be doing to the other.
Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. You can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. And I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is more than a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
Okay, you guys, so we blended it, and this is what it's looking like. Going in with that 35G palette. This is the Bronze Gold palette from Morphe. And I'm going to be taking this brown shade, and I'm just going to be blending it right up under, you know, right in the crease area. Not too much, because I don't want it to be looking dark. So, yeah, that's what you're going to be seeing your girl doing. So we just blend, and then to make it even more smooth looking and not like stir step, you know, like stir step with different shade colors, I like to go back in with the previous shade, the transition color, and just blend all the edges out. Okay, and that's what I just do every time. Like I just put a shade, go back and blend it, put a shade, go back and blend it with the previous shade all the time. You guys, so then next we will be going in with a little bit of the concealer to prime our lids or whatever, and just to, you know, yeah, that's what we're doing. We just gonna be priming them lids, okay? And I'm just be blending it out just a little bit all over the lid or whatever, and then I'm going back in with this same Juvia's Place palette that we used previously. And I'm going to be taking that light tan shade, and I'm going to be putting it all over where you see me putting this concealer. Okay, I'm going to let this dry down a little bit and then go over it with that same shade that you see me pointing to inside of this Juvia's Place palette. Okay, here's the palette, here's the shade. Gonna take that shade, put it right on top of there, let it dry down a little bit before you put this shadow on there. Okay, well, that's what I do. You do it how you do, this what I do. If you trying to do it how I do, then this is what I did. Okay. Okay, guys, so y'all already know the drill. You just gonna go ahead and just blend out them edges using your transition shade. Okay, I like to go in my transition shade. Sometimes when I'm doing like a more in-depth look, you know, I go in and I just go back in with all the colors if it's needed. Okay, all the shades I ever use to do the eye look. Sometimes I have to go back in with all of them. But in this case, I'm just going back in with the same transition color that I used. Okay, I really didn't add any product. Actually, I didn't add no product to my brush. I just used whatever is on there and just blended it out like that. Y'all saw me go in with this deeper shade, and I'm just mainly adding that to the ends, and then I'm going back in with that same transition shade. Okay. Okay, you guys, so this is the eye look, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do my liner. You already know your girl love her liner. Going in with this Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the shade black, and I'm just gonna be doing me a wing line. Okay, period. Okay, what I do to this eye, I'm gonna be doing to the next one.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
Okay, you guys, this is what it's looking like, and I love it. I know I love my liner. Really don't even have to put no lashes on when I put this liner on like this, baby. When I do it like that, baby. Nah, but we're going in with this heart shape tape in the color Deep, and I'm just going to be lining out that, you know, just sharpening up if I made some little mistakes or if it's too wide or whatever. You can just go in with your concealer and clean it up. That's the only thing you girl doing, making it more sharp, making it more able to just cut a bit. Okay, just making it more sharp, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, just making it super sharp like you do your knives when you cutting them veggies up, you know what I'm saying? Well, you know, when your girl cut her veggies up, she like to have her nice super sharp. Going in with this same Maybelline Great Lash mascara. Gonna be doing like a few little coats on there. Okay, you guys, so I will be going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Orange. And y'all, I really squirted out too much. Really, too much came out when I just like barely even tapped it. Too much had came out. I really don't need this much, but I didn't want to waste my product. So I just went ahead and just pulled, you know, just put it all over there in unnecessary spots. You know what I'm saying? And this, what this does is just evens out your face. It makes your concealer like really do what it's supposed to do. It just makes you look all toned and even up, you know what I'm saying? And your girl really don't even need this or whatever, but I just feel like I wanted to put it on there because I wanted to do like what I wanted to do. Nah, but I'm going in with this Fenty Beauty primer, priming my face or whatever like that. Then I will be going in with my lashes, y'all, from Tequila Cosmetics, period. I am using these lashes today, and they are in this shade LYNN. You can use my code. I say in the shade, they're in the style LYNN. You can use my code. I'm Chrissy. I will leave it down below in the description box for you guys that want to purchase you some. She have other styles, but these are the styles that I am showing you guys today. Okay, what about it? And then I'm going in with the Duo Lash Glue. And then I'm just going to be getting that on and popping, okay? Now, what I was saying about that orange concealer. Your girl likes to do this when I just want to be extra. When I just feel like I got some little dark areas on my face. And really, I didn't need it because I always do my foundation without it. But today, I just wanted to do it. I just want to do different stuff today on this tutorial. But, you know, whatever. Going in with this Nars foundation in the shade Macau. And then I'm going to be putting only a little bit, y'all. Like a little bit of this goes a long way, okay? Especially when you're doing the whole beat down, the whole bust down, okay? Especially when you're doing all that. You only need a little bit. You don't got to do too much. Even if you have like acne prone skin or whatever, you don't have to put too much, because then it just makes it show. Like, it just makes it show all up. I feel like it just really exposes if you have acne or whatever. And me, I don't have acne, but I do have little breakouts here and there whenever, you know, it's that time of the month. But, yeah, you don't really have to put too much of this foundation. Like, a little bit of this goes a long way, especially, like I said, when you're doing the whole bust down. Okay, do a little dance, 1, 2, yeah. Okay, going in with that same Tarte Shape Concealer from LA. I said from LA. Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. And we're going to get this little bright highlight, okay? And then I also will be going in with another concealer. And this is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, y'all. I love this concealer. Have not used it in a couple of months, you know, whenever I stop doing my makeup. So I haven't been using it or whatever, but your girl decided to use it today since I'm going in with the Nars foundation. I mean, why not? I mean, we really could have did the whole Nars face. We could have really did it. The powder, the lips, we really could have really got down with it. But your girl just went in there and just started trying to... I really just let my child pick my products today, y'all. So I really did. Okay, I let her pick my products. And this is how the face came together. I'm going to always pick my foundation. I'm going to always pick my concealer that I'm going to use. And then, yeah, she picked everything else. You know what I'm saying? The palette. And I just came up with doing this baddie eye look. So, yeah, it was a duo thing today, baby. It was a whole duo thing. And we just brought it all together. Period. Okay, so I'm just going to be blending that out. Y'all did see me go in with the Monica facial spray or whatever, and then I'm just going to be blending it on out, blending everything out. Now today's powder I will be using is the Sacha Buttercup. I have not used this in a while, and I decided to use it today. You guys, I still love this stuff. However, I just feel like with the concealer that I use, it don't really go that much. It kind of make me look a little bit too yellowy, you know. So what you could do, if you're using these same products, you can just bring it down a little bit with a different powder, which I did not do. Okay, I didn't do none of that. I ain't do none of that. You can see me right now. I'm just going to be contouring with the shade Deep from Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm using the shade Deep, and I'm doing a little contour, not too much. This contour is kind of like the same color as my foundation, to be honest. So you really can't even tell that it's on there unless you do the highlight. Like, that's the only thing about it. Like, that's the only time I feel like you can really tell. But I do like the way my face came together. However, like I said, with this Sacha Buttercup, I still love this, but it's like certain products don't go with certain products. My daughter picked these products, so I just decided to use these products. Okay, I do like this. I just feel like it could go with this foundation. It's just the concealer that I decided to use it with. It kind of make me look too yellowy because the Macao kind of gives me already a yellowy tone. Even though it's my shade, it's kind of like a yellow tone. And yeah, it's still nice. I'm not knocking it. I just feel like it don't go with the products that I decided to use with it today. But, you know, we made it do what it do. We brought it all through. And that's why your girl was looking snatched in the preview. Period. Okay, you guys, so I'm going in with this medium to dark palette, and this is from Black Radiance. I'm going to be taking that brown shade, obviously, okay, because it's the mainly shade that's gone. I'm going to be taking that shade and just going over the contour areas and just blending everything out. All the contour areas, going to be doing my nose as well, just real lightly with it. You know, I don't want to do too much because everything needs to add on up. Everything needs to add up, and if it ain't adding, we're going to start subtracting, okay? So, yeah, that's what you're going to see your girl doing. Okay, you guys, so what you're going to see your girl doing next is going in over those contour areas that you saw me do, okay, with the other palette, with the Black Radiance palette, okay? I'm just going to be taking this Maybelline City Bronzer and just going over those shades real light with it. And just, you know, it just kind of tones down those contour areas. It just makes everything tie in to me. Like, just make everything just blend in together, come all together. But, you know, your girl is going for that baddie snatch look. You know, the Instagram baddie makeup look, the simple but cute, all into it type beat, full glam, if you really give a dent, you know, all that. That's what your girl's going for. Okay, so that's what you see your girl doing. Bronzing up that face, getting that contour blended more, and just doing what we gotta do to get this face back to normal, boo. Now I will be taking the Black Radiance Soft Focus finishing powder in the shade Creamy Bronze. I'm just going to be putting it on all the parts you got that yellow powder in, okay? All the Sacha Buttercup powders, we gonna blend it away with this, and we gonna blend till we can't no more, okay? Of course, when you do your setting sprays, it'll tie everything in. All the powders will dry down more. It'll get more soaked in, you know. So setting spray is definitely important when you're using powders on your face with your makeup. I feel like it's definitely important, or like a refreshing spray. So I didn't tell y'all, but I'm going in with this Milani highlighter, and I'm also going to be taking, I took that Dove Cosmetics orange blush palette. I had took that orange out of there, and I used that as a blush, okay? And then, yeah, your girl just going to be doing her highlight, okay? Of course, you're going to go back in with your foundation brush or your powder brush, and just make sure you got everything blended all in together and all nice looking. And then we're going to move on to the lips, baby, because this is like one of my favorite parts of the makeup, the lips. Guys, so afterwards, you're just going to go ahead and wipe any oils you might have on your lips. And then you're just going to go ahead and line out your lips. Now, having oils on your lips just make your lips blend even better before you get to the lips, if you're a person that do the lips last like me. So yeah, having oils just helps, okay? It helps blend everything. It helps get it all together. So I'm just going in with a little bit of this camo concealer in the shade Tan Latte from the e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be putting that on there as like a nude shade. I didn't put too much of it because you only need like a little bit to give it like that look, okay, of that's like a natural look type thing. But yeah, going to end with a Vaseline, a clear gloss. You can use a clear gloss, or you can use Vaseline like me. I didn't really put too much. I just really just put it in the center area to give it a more oilier, you know, vibe, and I didn't want to take away from the liner or the color shade. But yeah, y'all, this is what it's looking like. Going in with the Monica face spray, and this is what I'm going to be setting my face with today. Like, this is what we setting with, okay? Drawing it down a little bit, and this is what it's giving. Like, what y'all think? Comment down below.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys that watch my video fully through. I really do. If you care to share this with somebody and let them come on in and join the party. Also, click that thumbs up button if you guys enjoyed this video and you like the look. Okay, subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and you would love to, because we would love to have you. We would love to, okay? So you guys, I also will be uploading a look with the look. So if you guys are interested, you can scroll down into the description box and you can find my social networks on there. Also, you will see it scrolling across the screen, okay? I thank you guys so much. I really do. And I'll see you guys in the next one.